Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve square root of 5 times square root of 5 times square root of 5 is equal to 125 to the power x, or taking square to both sides we can write square root of 5 square root of 5 square root of 5 whole square is equal to 125 to the power x whole square, or this square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain 5 square root of 5 square root of 5 is equal to 125 to the power x times 2 is twice x, or taking square to both sides again we can write 5 square root of 5 square root of 5 whole square is equal to 125 to the power 2x whole square, or this 5 square and this square root and this square will cancel out, so it will remain 5 square root of 5 is equal to 125 to the power 2 times 2 is 4x, or taking square to both sides again we can write 5 square times 5 square root of 5 whole square is equal to 125 to the power 4x whole square, or 5 to the power 2 times 2 is 4 times 5 to the power 1 times 2 is 2, and this square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain 5 is equal to 125 to the power 4x times 2 is 8x, or 5 to the power according to exponential rule 4 plus 2 plus 1, so it will be 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 125 can be written as 5 cube whole to the power 8x, or 5 to the power 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7 is equal to 5 to the power 3 times 8x is equal to 24x, or now the base are same, so this power will be equal. We can write 7 is equal to 24x, or exchanging side we can write 24x is equal to 7. Now divided both side by 24 we can write x is equal to 7 over 24. So this is the solution of this given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.